we'll try to take in this side and take back. So 1, 2, 4, 5. Good work. And after that, try taking this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, try take our hands on the floor and do pushing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we'll try slowly take this leg behind. So try sit, relax, and feel that you have stretch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you feel your body good, you can try take your back leg and sit in this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take strong leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Touching to pushing for our legs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try take this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Amazing work. Let's try taking this side and try go straight down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, try take the legs together. Take your breath. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I hope that you like this video. You can follow me, take likes, write me good comments.